Hello there, Tricia, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a street foods mukbang with just a budget of 100 pesos. So everything that I've got is only for 100 pesos. At the same time, I'll be sharing with you, we have here some banana Q, some carioca, tiron, here's a toge, kwek kikiam fishball, squid balls, which I really love. And for my desserts, I'll be having some fruits, watermelon, and a fresh pineapple juice. So why am I even doing this video? Most people are actually curious as to what Moderator does, and especially one of the Team Payaman members, diba, which is the Ate Bia. I'll be tackling everything later. So a big 3 shout to Paula Jean Villar, which is my online bestie. Thank you so much for suggesting that I'll be doing this street foods mukbang. So, let's go! So, sige, kain muna tayo. Let's start with squid balls habang titingnan ko yung questions that I've got from Instagram and Facebook stories. Ang hirap ba magkakang kumakain? Nguya-nguya. From Jamski. Hi, Jam! Love you. Ano pong feeling na isa ka sa nag-handle ng group ni Ate Bien? Hihi. Hihi talaga. So for me, at first, I actually was shocked that I'm really part of the admods or like admins and moderators in general na ng Team Payaman. So, diba, isa yung Team Payaman sa pinaka well-known YouTubers talaga in the Philippines and inspirational. So, being part of it specifically for Ate Bien, which has a familial bond and relationship sa vlogs niya, diba? It really touched me and I was just like in awe, especially like getting to message her, like getting to talk to her and meet her in person. Parang awestruck pa rin ako just like this moment. Even like, wow, may na-vlog na ako or everything. Parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala, basically. So yeah, kain ulit. Next, from Jam. Ang dami niyong question. Mabait ba GC member ng Viesters? Okay. For me, may mga nasalihan na rin kasi akong group ng Team Payaman. But sa Viesters talaga ako nagstay kasi nga hindi lang dahil kay Ate Bien, but dahil sa mga tao rin mismo. So, yes, mababait pa mga mababait talaga sila. They have respect. Tapos, alam mo talagang, one thing I really love about the Viesters family is that through ups and downs, they will be with you. So, ang dami ng mga nag-open, ang dami ng mga nangangailangan ng support, yet, nandyan yung bawat isa to help each other. Para in the end, lahat masaya, lahat okay, lahat comforted. So, I really like it. That's one thing that I really love about the Viesters family. Next, si Jam pa rin. Ano yung sinabi ni Ate Bien sa inyong admods na hindi niyo makakalimutan? So, ako, nung na-meet nga namin siya in person, which is yung previous vlog. So, if you're not yet watching that vlog, click mo na yan. Or click mo na yan. Pero yun nga, one thing na hindi ko makakalimutan na sinabi ni Ate Ben siguro is that habang tinitingnan niya kami, magkakasama na admod. So, ilan ba kami admod? 7 kami. So, ayun. And like, parang sabi niya na, sige, usap kayo. Parang nakakatuwa kayo tingnan na magkakasama, ganyan. So like, wow, like, Ate Bien, ganyan. Tapos isa sa personally ako, hindi ko makalimutan. Naiiyak kasi talaga ako mag-vlog. Ayoko mag-vlog. Yung nakita ko siya, like, nag-vlog si Ate Bien. Pero ako parang, girl, di ko kaya. Pero sabi niya, sige, mag-vlog ka lang. Nang sinabi niya, like, girl, I was really kilig na, wow, Ate Bien pa mismo nagsasabi na mag-vlog ako. So, ang hirap magkwento na kumakain. Sige, gusto ko Pero, yeah. That's it. Next. Ano reaction mo, Ate Cha, na bigla kang sinabihan ni Kuya Sean na magiging mod? Ooh. So, yun. Naalala ko that time, he just kasi nag-start po ako, siguro ikukwento ko rin naman yun later. Nag-start ako just like a Twitter moderator. So, doon nila ako unang na parang active ka ba sa Twitter or something. So, sabi ko, yeah, I am. Tapos yun, nag-start na, pwede ka ba namin kunin, ganyan. Tapos, ayun, parang sinabi niya, bigla niya lang sinabi, uy, pwede ka ba maging moderator? It's like, girl, ang dami ko talagang kinoconsider eh. Which, mga nagtanong din naman nun later, yun yung kwento ko. Marami talaga akong kinonsider na bagay. Pero at that moment, I know that I was needed. Kaya tinanggap ko. Pero, ayun, nung sinabi niya talaga yun, as in, parang ilang oras or ilang minuto pa ako nag-isip if I'll be accepting it. Hindi ako agad, ay sige, ganyan. Kasi I know it's our responsibility to manage. And I'm not, to be honest, I'm not in Viensters for fame. Dumating ako sa Viensters just to like have fun at the same time to meet people na mahal din yung Team Payaman. And I've never thought that I'll be a moderator nga. So yeah, kind lit. No. May song quick. Kain kayo. Next question from Paula. From my online blessing nga, sabi ko sa inyo. Sabi niya, best experience na naging ad mods ka na ng Viensters. Eat well po, malala, hihi. So, Paula, para sa ito. Okay. So, best experience would probably be getting in touch with Ate Vien. Kasi parang, pag member ka, I mean, nag-chatting kasi si Ate Vien kapag if she has a spare time, ganyan. Pero, hindi talaga yung super duper dami. So, if member ka, super laking bagay na nung mag-message siya. But as a moderator nga, parang meron kaming sariling group chat where, ayun nga, syempre may mga dapat pag-usapan na for admins and moderators lang. So yun, parang doon namin siya somehow nakaka-get to like bond. And especially, ang pinaka syempre unforgettable experience is to have like a lunch date with her na yun nga kasama siya. So parang, wow, si Ate Bien ba talaga yun? Alam niyo ba guys, no? Nung kasama na namin sa that day, so like, I was seated here, diba? I was like, nasa right side ko siya doon. So, nakita niyo nga yung vlog. Habang ko nakausap na kami, nakatingin lang siya sa akin. So, parang, nakatitig ako sa kanya, Ate Bien, parang, wow, kaharap pa siya. Tapos, tinitingnan niya ako. Tapos like, kwento ko na rin. Super saya ko kasi, inad niya ako sa Facebook. So, I love you so much, Ate Bien. See you soon po. So, yeah. Next! What's the feeling of being one of the moderators ni Ate Bien? Hihi. May mga hihi kayo. Yes, this is from Jill, Ate Engineer. Hello, I love you. So, what is the feeling? Actually, nung naging moderator ako, parang hindi ko talaga feel as if like my title or something. Siguro, it gave me some authority. Pero still, same pa rin yung bond, same pa rin yung how you will bond with them. Kasi at the same time, pare-pares lang naman kayong fangirls at fanboys, diba? Pero yun, most of the time, masaya. Masaya na parang, wow, I can manage, I can decline posts, I can accept posts, members, sa group. Overall, masaya. Not a question, but blessing ka talaga sa Bien since day one. Love you. I love you, Ate Bianca. She's one of my closest friends online. So, thank you, Ate Bianca. You are all a blessing to me as well. So, kilig! Next, last question from Instagram. Kasi like 1 hour ko lang to pinost, tapos film ko na. Kaya, sorry sa mga hindi masasagot na questions. Going back, gaano pinago ng Viens ang buhay mo? So, it made me realize that there's a wider connection than what I have right now. Kasi feeling ko, ay, marami naman akong friends. I have, like, people that I can really go to. Pero, I'm amazed how the internet, how the social media apps can connect you to people from Bataan, from Manila, from, like, even, where's this? Cagayan de Oro. So, parang, wow, I met a lot of people online and they share the experiences that they've had in a certain place, from Batangas pa, saan pa ba, from Davao. So, nakakatuwa na, wow, that's what the online community did. It connected people, even if online lang kayo, mararamdaman mo yung connection is genuine and deep. So, another one, it's from Janelle. I love you, Nell. Thank you so much for asking me. I like this question. Nagulat ako na tinanong niya to. Pero kahit na ulit ako. Pero I like her question. Sinabi niya, how do you handle ate being moderator at the same time as student? So, as you know, we are still in a pandemic and I'm currently studying third year marketing management at University of Santo Tomas. And nakita ko iba yung workload sa online. So, nung una, might as well share to you guys. I've been really open to it, to my closest online friends since the beginning. Hindi ko talaga plano tumagal sa Viensters. Wow! Wow! The tea! Pero, yun siguro yung greatest pasabog ko sa vlog na to. Parang ang pinaka-plan ko lang, I just like went kasi sa Viensters June 2020. Butchok, shut up! June 2020. So, sabi ko, bago magklase, hanggang doon lang ako. So, like 2 months, that's my plan. Hanggang August lang. But then, ayun nga, may mga, yan, sila Jeric, sila Sed, sila Goys, parang nalulungkot na sila kasi August na. Tapos doon yung araw na tinanong ako kung gusto ko maging moderator, which in that time nga, I was needed, so I've accepted it. Pero, ayun nga, being a student, super nahirapan ako nung una mag-adjust. Nung August or like September, October. That's my adjusting stage, especially sa ibang workload ng online. So, may time talaga na hindi ko na nakakamusta yung ibang members. But, nung bakasyon kasi, lahat sila kinakamusta ko. Lahat sila, like, I've made a connection with, na parang ate talaga yung bond that I've shared. Kasi parang gusto ko rin makilala sila in a familiar level. In the end, nung may mga time na ako, after ng mga prelims, ng finals, parang still na-accept nila na ate, wala busy ka sa students. That's something that you need to prioritize. At the same time, shinare din namin sa kanila, kaming mga adbuds kasi, we're like mostly like college, mostly may responsibilities na talaga. Pursue first what you prioritize the most. Kasi na yan.
Kailangan ko yung pagkain. Ano ba yan lahat kinain?
Hindi ko pa po kinakain. Maghay ka lang. Kasi wait, dito ka. Sama ka.
Hello.
Nakakahiya ka. Ay, mama, dahil nandito ka, may anong masasabi mo na, dito ka tabi ka sa akin. Anong masasabi mo na sumali ako sa Viensters?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, ano yung impression mo? Syempre.
Hindi ko naman sila kilala eh.
Hindi ako, na sumali ako. Dito ka, lapit ka. Ano nga, na masasabi mo? Hindi ko, ako, na sumali ako sa online community.
Wala lang.
Wala ka man lang masasabi.
Wala, kasi hindi ko sila kilala eh.
May kinakwento ako sa iyo Marami akong kinakwento sa iyo
Nagugutom ako.
So sige, habang nandyan yung mom ko, dito ka na nakakaya na kamay mo lang nakikita.
I'm hungry. Malinis yung nausawan ko.
Yak! Mabuti alam mo, sinawsawan niya yung pang squid balls. Ang dami kong kwento, hindi ko pa nga nakakain. Sige.
Gutom na ako.
Ano na lang masasabi mo sa mga friends ko online? Diba, may kilala ka sa kanila, nakikita mo, kinakausap ko sila.
Basta wag lang magpahating gabi. Lagi silang online ng hating gabi. Yun lang.
Inuumaga. Mama, nakakaya ka!
Bakit?
Paano ko po nag-start maging moderator from my anak-anakan, Lerms, hello baby. So, ayun nga, typically or normally, I'm a daldal and basically, that's what I radiate online. So, ang unang mga admins pa and moderators na nakasalamu ako nung bago ako sa Viensters nung June. Pinaka naging close ko yan si Jeric, tapos super welcoming ni na Hazel, ni Tia. So, sila yung parang tatlo talaga na pinaka naging welcome sa amin sa batch namin nung June. Nakita nila, yun nga, nila Sean na I have a potential to manage the group. Tsaka, one thing that I love about Viensters is tinitingnan na talaga nila ako bilang ate. So, yan, yung mga bunso ko, sila Krillian, sila Angel, so Jam, Janelle, yan yung mga sila Iana. So, the list is long, but I'm very thankful na naging ganun yung bond namin. Kasi, even if they don't met me personally yet, at least naramdaman na nila that they can rely on me as their ate. Diba? Ate Cha, paano niyo po hinahandle yung makulit at pagiging makalat namin? Joke. That's from Lian Ramirez. Hello, Lian. Love you. Thank you so much for sharing this question. So, ayun. Alam mo naman na bata sila eh. Yun. Typically kasi, meron kami as young as 11 years old, 12, na si Jam na lang. Si Jam na lang yung 12. Tapos, ang dami talagang bata eh. Onti lang yung mga 20s above. Kaya parang, ako kasi parang feeling ko tita vibes na ako. Kaya, sinabi ko, ay, you can call me Tita Chanel or Tita Chanel. So, yung mga 20 above, nababansagan sila sa Viensters ng tita. Onti lang kasi yung guys sa amin. So, sila yung nababansagan naman na tito. So, yan. Sa Viensters community, may tita at tito kayo. Alam mo naman, naturally, na bilang bata, there are things na hindi pa talaga nila alam. So, mostly sa kanila, makalat nga, kung ano mga pinagsasabi. Pero, I became patient and open sa kanila. Kasi, if you will be strict, paano na ma-enjoy yung youth nila, yung youthfulness nila, diba? So, I just go with the flow at the same time. I restrict things na alam kong di na good for them. So, pag may narinig ako or may mga nabasa akong bagay na hindi maganda, especially with their young age, nandito kaming mga elder people to guide them na ay masama yan, huwag mo sabihin yan, ganyan. Kasi syempre, we want to create a bond na open, kind, and filled with respect. So, yun yung pinaka gusto ko din talaga sa din. So, next! If hindi ka po naging part ng Viens and hindi ka po naging mod, ano po siguro pinagkakaabalahan nyo now? So, if hindi ako naging moderator, probably... What? I will probably just be reading a book. The first phase ng quarantine, nung wala pa nga akong kinakausap na online people, naubos ko lahat ng books sa aking sariling closet. It's the end of the video, so I don't know if it's like 20 to 30 minutes long. So I'm so sorry for that, but yeah, pampalubag loob. Here's Nairobi, my baby, to join me as I end this video. Wait lang, sorry. Yan na, mag-end na. Woo! What did you say? What did you say, Nairobi? She said, surprise! May giveaway tayo. So, if nagutom kayo, you can go buy some with my 50 pesos Gcash giveaway. There will be 2 winners and you just simply comment what's your favorite part of the vlog for today. So, maybe the one in the middle, the one in the end, or something na pinaka nag-struck sa'yo. Don't hesitate to comment down below. And the winners will be announced on the next vlog. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. It's just a simple way. Kasi alam ko super duper haba ng vlog na to. But super daldal ko rin kasi in general talaga. Just like what I've shared na paulit-ulit. Thank you so much for those who've shared their questions. And to you who's watching this, I'm proud of you. Congrats. You're doing great. Fighting. So that would be all. Always remember to there is hope. See you on my next one. Bye! Nairobi! Say bye!